Hello, this is Laurence Deutsch, and this is a public service announcement to all of our clients and those who may not be our clients who ask the question, would it hurt my case if I did X? Meaning, a lot of times clients will approach us and ask questions like, I've had this disability, I was thinking of trying to go back to school or trying to go back to work, but I'm not really sure if I should because would it hurt my case? We don't get that question all the time because most of the time our clients do understand from the outset that we want them to be as well as possible, as complete as possible, and that we don't want to stand in the way of their recovery. And let me go a little bit deeper on that and answer the question directly. If the question is ever asked of us by a client, would it hurt my case if I did something positive, such as returning to school, going back to work, trying to resume an athletic activity they used to enjoy, my answer to them is invariably no, it will not hurt your case. Absolutely do the most you can do. And this aligns with your successful case on a number of levels. First and foremost, we want to be completely honest with the process, meaning if you have a significant enough case for us to have taken it, by definition there is some kind of life-altering injury that's occurred. It is never in your interests or a good idea or honest to try to overstate the nature of those injuries. So the flip side of not overstating an injury is you should absolutely do your best to get back to your former level of life to the extent that you can. And by the way, this not only hurts but helps your case. Juries invariably respond to and recognize when people are doing their best. The other attorneys and the other insurance adjusters on the other side also have their antenna up. They're looking for people that are not only not adding to their injuries dishonestly, but they also look for people who have that appealing quality of trying to do their best. And last, and I would say most importantly, the reason that I went into this profession is not to stand in the way of people's recovery. Our job here is to recognize people who need true help in the legal process and help them get back to their best level of function or degree of compensation that they deserve. So our mission, if you will, aligns with the litigation interests of your case, meaning by all means try to live your life as best as possible. You'll do the best by your case and the best by yourself. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us or send us a message through the website. Thank you.